Creating an AI video is easy. The harder part is turning that generation into a complete commercial without constantly regenerating shots, fixing inconsistencies, or rebuilding your edit from scratch. Products can change between shots, scenes can end too early, and even a small mistake can create another round of generation. Today, I'm testing Seedance 2.5 inside CapCut PC to see how its generation and editing tools can help reduce revisions and speed up the entire production process. I'll take one product from AI generation to editing to refinement to final commercial, all inside one workflow. Inside CapCut PC, I'll create a new project, open AI video, and select Seedance 2.5. I'll use 9 to 16 for this short-form commercial. Before generating, I'll upload my reference assets. Seedance 2.5 supports up to 50 multimodal references, 30 images, 10 videos, and 10 supported audio files. I'll use product, lighting, environment, and camera references to guide the visual direction and maintain consistency. This gives me more control over the look before I even start generating. For this test, I'm creating a premium smart desk lamp commercial.
Light reimagined for every moment.
Lighting, camera movement, and quality. The advantage here is having a longer continuous sequence to work with instead of starting with multiple disconnected shots. The commercial looks good, but the ending feels too short. Instead of creating another clip from scratch, I'll use AI Extend to continue the existing sequence. Continue the commercial with the same smart desk lamp, environment, lighting, and camera movement. Build naturally toward a premium final hero shot. Now, the extended version gives the commercial a more complete ending. This is especially useful when I already have a good sequence but need a few more seconds to complete the story. And with the AI Extend feature, you can extend your video by up to 30 seconds. For example, I extended my video by 10 seconds. Now, you can see the before and after preview and clearly compare where the original video ended and where the extended version ends. As you can see, the after version continues the scene and makes the video longer. There's still one specific issue in the generated video. One section has inconsistent lighting. Instead of regenerating the entire 30-second video, I'll select that section and use AI Edit. The original problem is fixed without touching the rest of the commercial. This is the kind of targeted refinement that can save a lot of time.
Light reimagined for every moment.
Compared with regenerating an entire sequence. Now, you can see that by using AI Edit, I changed the position of the lamp. It was originally placed on the desk, but now I've moved it to the bedside table. You can also see the before and after preview of the video, which clearly shows the difference after the edit. Now, I'll bring everything together in the CapCut PC multi-track timeline. I'll trim clips, adjust pacing, add captions, transitions, music, and sound effects. AI Edit handling targeted modifications, and AI Extend helping continue scenes. I can move from generation to refinement and final editing inside one workflow. The entire process, from generation and refinement to final editing, stays inside one CapCut PC project. So, don't judge AI by the cost of one generation. Look at the total production time, revision rounds, and final output quality. Download CapCut PC using the one link in the description or pinned comment. Let me know in the comments, what product would you turn into an AI commercial?